Step 1, you pick a key. We just did that, key of C. Step 2, build a chord progression within that key. And we'll build another one here. Let's go with C major, E minor, A minor, G. That's going to be our chord progression. Step 3, you want to add sort of a groove to this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. As long as it's the same fixed amount, that's going to be manageable. And you can't see it, but I'm actually using what's known as the sustain pedal on the piano. That's letting me play in a much more relaxed way. As long as I'm holding that down, the notes are going to ring out. If I didn't have that down, I'd have all of this empty space. If you're playing on a piano with multiple pedals, by the way, the sustain pedal is going to be the rightmost one. Now, once you've got your chord progression locked in, for most of you, this is going to be the hardest part, bringing the right hand on top. And I'm not going to lie and tell you that it's easy, but instead, what I'm going to encourage you to do is to work with a single note to start, whether that's in between the chords or lined up with the chords. Try to keep your right hand stationary so that your eyes can stay fixed on your left hand, which is going to need the guidance. And as you get more comfortable, you can start to bring other notes in. And you might feel a little limited with that right hand, but as long as your left hand groove doesn't lose sight of what it's doing, rhythm being the first thing that humans created as well, the first thing that we notice is off in music, so that's something we want to really preserve. But as you get more comfortable, you might play chords multiple times with the left hand, might add more involved right hand parts, because this is both a mental exercise, it's a creative exercise, and it's a physical exercise. Which is why this is so much fun, because you really can just sit down at the piano, cold, come up with something. And you've got a little song built from scratch. Now, of course,